Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. We believe in remaining hungry and providing food to others. We want to remove the problems of others while remaining ourselves amidst them. We are ready to face inconvenience in order to help others. We can remain without clothes if need be, but people are not aware as to how far the country has progressed, how far it has enriched its resources, and the place it occupies in the world today. The India's tree color is flying high. The credit goes to Pandit Nehru and Shrimati Indira Gandhi. We are moving ahead perpetually with the flag in our hands. Shri Rajiv Gandhi has been following the same principles in the national and international affairs. It is our duty to keep our flag flying high in the world. The government is resolved to check the tendencies of terrorism, separatism, or bloodshed. It is our foremost duty, otherwise, we would not be performing our duty earnestly. In view of this, it becomes essential for every citizen of India, particularly we MPs, to do our duty in the earnest manner. We would be worthy to enjoy our rights if we perform our duty well. Only then we would be able to solve the problems. So, I would like to urge upon you that being the members of parliament, we too have a right, the right to speak truth and nothing but truth only. We would discharge our duty very earnestly and would be honest to our responsibilities. Otherwise, we would not be able to call ourselves the successors or the followers of Mahatma Gandhi. I extend my thanks to the Honorable Prime Minister for executing the principles of Mahatma Gandhi and policies of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Shrimati Indira Gandhi. Rural upliftment, particularly for those youth who are living below the poverty line, is being undertaken. Efforts are being made to bring the illiterate children to the national mainstream by providing educational facilities through Navodaya Vidyalayas, which have been opened under the new education policy of Shri Rajiv Gandhi. But these Navodaya Vidyalayas should be opened in rural areas because 40% of the total students in these are from rural areas. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, at a time when the world is moving steadily towards a detente, notwithstanding a few setbacks in the pursuit of general international peace, it is particularly disquieting to us in the Indian Ocean area to learn of the measures taken by the US authorities in going ahead with the building of the military base. Now we are legitimately claim some credit for having done this, having been important partners in this movement towards non-alignment, towards disarmament and towards detente. The House will recall that under Pandit ji, under Indira ji and Rajiv ji and under Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, we have continued the relentless quest for detente. We have always spoken up for disarmament, and in fact we have given our own interpretation of disarmament, our own picture of disarmament, full stop.